They say this robot vacuum is really smart. Now, do you think this robot vacuum is actually smart, or is it just pretending to be? A few weeks ago, DJI sent me a new product to make a video for and to upload it on the launch day. If you follow my Instagram, you've seen the 1-minute video of this product there. I'm talking about DJI's latest product, but just to clarify, it's not a drone, nor is it a stabilizer. What I'm referring to is actually something a bit different and rather unexpected from DJI. I'm talking about this really cool and innovative product, which is the Romo DJI Robot Vacuum. At first glance, this product might look like a DJI drone, specifically because of the sensors used in it. But in my opinion, it has other similarities to DJI drones as well. If you open the product's app on your smartphone, you can quite easily control it just by using its built-in camera. And just like with a drone, you are able to steer it smoothly in any direction you want. But with the difference that you can actually clean the place. Everything I've said so far is all about DJI's brand new product, the DJI Romo. It's a really cool and impressive robot vacuum. My history with robot vacuums actually goes back 2.5 years. When I first moved to Dubai, the very first apartment I rented actually had a robot vacuum cleaner. After using it a few times, it not only completely changed my perspective on it, but also made me regret ever having one. At least that was the case until just a few weeks ago when DJI sent me this product. In this video, just like my other videos where I honestly share my consumer opinion on DJI products, I'm gonna do exactly that. And to really give you the very best review possible in this video, I actually tried using this product myself for about 4 to 5 weeks, so that I could honestly and thoroughly share my real opinion on it with you. One of the main and common problems with all robot vacuums is that they either are not able to properly clean corners or they get stuck somewhere. And most importantly, you end up having to clean it yourself. And that's exactly where DJI said it's time to fix all these problems once and for all. The DJI Romo is DJI's first series of robot vacuum products, using the exact same technology they use in their drones. When you first set up the vacuum, the first thing it does, it uses its sensors similar to their drone series. But this time it's to identify its location and map out the area so it can to deliver a very high performance. And these sensors allow this product to detect everything. In fact, nothing is hidden from its sight. It acts exactly like a drone. It can even see and identify things as small as 2 millimeters. Under sofas and in places where the light is very low, is basically where all the robot vacuums I've seen so far would go blind, fail at their job and stop. But this is exactly where DJI does the opposite, meaning it goes into the heart of that darkness, detects and can clean the entire environment. The point I want to make is something that almost all robot vacuums I've seen so far have failed at, meaning cleaning corners, legs and some odd spots that are really hard to reach. The Romo's arms adjust themselves to the environment and take the exact shape of that space and environment to clean those corners. First it vacuums them and then it uses the exact same arm for its mop and mops that path. If I want to tell you about the suction power of this vacuum, I say this without exaggeration because I've tested it by scattering various types of trash. Was the suction of that volume of hair I had placed on the floor. Because exactly my first and biggest problem with the robot vacuum I experienced 2.5 years ago, I was not properly picking up hair from the floor. But this device is so powerful at picking up both hair and other trash that I was able to trust it in the very first week, because I have long hair and I used to see my own hair on the floor almost every day. But since I've been using and testing the Romo, there's no hair on the floor. If we want to move past the vacuuming part and give a thumbs up to all the challenges it's overcome, we get to mopping. This is exactly where this product really won me over even more. Why? Because exactly when it started mopping, I saw that using its arms, it easily handled all those blind spots other vacuums couldn't. And most importantly, with the system it had for its mop, it was able to clean all the stains that had even dried up and whose cleaning was almost difficult or impossible for the robot vacuums I'd seen so far. It cleaned them easily with the system it had. If I want to give you my honest opinion, I think this vacuum isn't just a tool for cleaning the house. Actually, it gives you peace of mind that even if you're not at home, you can use it for things other than just vacuuming. You just need to go into the camera section through the app on your phone and easily check your home space. It's a very cool feature that I use a lot myself when I'm out, or if I want to talk to my wife and she's at home, for example. With this device, I go into its app and turn on the speaker and microphone part. I start moving the vacuum itself. I take it towards where my wife is standing in the house and talk to her. And actually, this isn't just a robot vacuum cleaner. This is DJI technology entering homes. And what's very interesting to me is that this is only the first version of DJI's robot vacuum. Now, based on what I've told you and the experience I've gained with this robot vacuum over this time, has DJI managed to build a very smart robot vacuum, or is there still a way to go for this vacuum, or still a way to go to present this product more professionally? If I want to talk about the device's weight, it's almost 25 kilograms with its station. To speak about the device overall, the only thing you're required to do the entire time you have this vacuum is to empty this device's dirty water and fill its clean water, replacing the emptied clean water. And in cases of very heavy use, take out the filter that's inside the device itself, blow air on it or use water to wash it, let it dry and put it back in. I can almost say there's no need to wash any of the pads because the device itself does all this process with its station, and you just need to press its start button and wait for the entire environment of that house to be cleaned. Another cool thing that the DJI app or DJI Home has is that you can tell it in its settings where on the house map to vacuum and where to just mop. Or you can set boundaries for it, saying today I only want you to vacuum here or only mop here today. Another section that's in this app is that you can set what time this device turns on every day during a week, where it vacuums, where it mops, and what time of day it finishes its work. Whether its work duration is 1 hour or more, you can specify all of these in the app settings. You can use the standard settings it has, or you can change them from its suction power for vacuuming, the amount of water used for mopping, how many times it mops that path, how many times it vacuums that path, whether it uses hot water for mopping or lower temperature water, and you can fix all these settings yourself in its app and then your desired point to be able to clean it up. Currently, during this 1 month that my goal was to test this product, I tried to use it in all modes and at least twice a day in different ways to make sure it can handle all these challenges. And in my opinion, it checked all the boxes and successfully emerged as the first series of DJI robotic vacuum products coming out victorious from this game.